Today I'm going to try and cook beef teriyaki with my speedy. This is my first recipe in there. So I already have some cooked rice. What I want is to steam the vegetable and to grill my meat. So teriyaki, to my knowledge, means green and shining or glinting meat. So now I have 1 kg of frozen. We call it in Germany Kaisergemüse. Like you have cauliflower, you have broccoli, and you have carrots. Okay, so can you see? Oh, yep. So I still have some space up there. And maybe let me come closer with this bad boy. So now I have some leftover broth. I promise it looks, it tastes better than it looks. So I'm not going to put water. I'm going to work with this and the, the 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 liquid from the vegetable. Maybe give it a stir. Teriyaki sauce is basically what I saw is just soy sauce, sugar, and rice vinegar, ginger, garlic. So again, I have 1 kilo of beef, like diced beef, washed and strained. I hope it's not too much. Let me just be working on here with that. To add in there is like freshly ground black pepper. Tack. I think we call that a tablespoon, right? And then, cause I like it spicy, half of a teaspoon. And for the garlic gang, I go with 1 tablespoon of garlic. So oil. So 1, 2, 3 tablespoon. So stir, stir, stir. It's not. It's like baby cows. I don't know how to call it in English, but it's young bullen. So it's the small ones. So the meat is tender, tasty. So now I'm going to, maybe it's too much. No. Like I'm not being stingy. Like for first time, let us really challenge the the speedy. Um, I know meat is going to string, so I don't want to do it in 2 batches. And cause I have to do a second like coating, I have to coat it anyhow. So rapid cooker. Let me just go with the rapid cooker, speedy meals, and that's preheating. Let me set the timer so I know how long. So start. I know how long it took to heat. I kid you not, this was I wanted to show you and then I put on stop. It's preheating. It has been preheating for more than 13 minutes. 13 good minutes. We still have pre. So now I'm going to start again. Like I can't believe this has been preheating for more than 13 minutes. It might go to 15, but hey, So now it has started working. Like, I think it's 15 minutes preheating. So where is the rapid cooking? And it's only now that it's giving steam. So I think for the past 15 minutes it has been cooking, like pressure cooking. So I will reduce the time, like I will go for 15 minutes because, yeah. So now I've reduced it. It should be in total 1 hour, 13 minutes. I think the next time, maybe while I'm doing everything, I will just start the preheating, like as if I like just open and close your pot, and while you are like marinating and putting spices and everything, you can just go in and do your things. So there is something I didn't put in there. Um, that was salt. Teriyaki sauce already has a lot of salt because it's soy sauce, but I have this smoked salt. I just want to test if I can open like this much. Right? Focus, yes. You know what I'm saying? I just I want to test if I can open it. Yes, I can open it. I want to eat. I want to eat. It's already tasty. Right. So close back and let it work. So halfway through, so this is really steaming. I hope you can hear what I'm saying. I want to open it and wow. Okay. Okay. Look at this. Wow. Like at this point, this 6 minutes, let me taste this little bit like I'm that person. Mmm. Wow. It still needs a bit, so but this one here is for me. Sorry. I told you that it's going to shrink. So let me flip all these pieces. I don't know how much water these people put in their meat, but it's more water than meat. It's my opinion. Like all the big chunks are already shrinked down. And we know something already. Um, the speedy can handle 1 kilogram of meat. So I don't know when I cut it. Like maybe it went off alone, but this is the vegetable and the rice is well done. Like I like what I'm seeing, and sorry, it's like I'm shaking. I'm hungry, and I'm just going to add some beef in there, some teriyaki beef, meaning shining and grilled beef. So less of the time, like I will do 2 minutes, I will do 10 minutes in it. So that's that. Like, is it shining? Woo! This is good because while it was cooking, I did the kitchen. Food is served. Where am I going to start? Like with some rice. This is for y'all. Have you got it? Mm. Isn't that shining? Mm. 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 Family is there. Um, you have to cook this and reduce the time. Like I still had 2 minutes left. I think I did 15 minutes. I think but 12 or 11 should go. Love it. Thanks for watching. Enjoy my grilled, grilled and shining beef. Like, let me go digging. Subscribe for more Ninja Speedy recipe or recipe at all. But like we love, I mean Africans or Bantus, like to boil meat and we fry it or we put it in the oven. But like this is just speedy Gonzales. It's like I don't have to cook it extra. I just have to, season it maybe the 3 hours before, 6 hours the day before. Put it in there, let it steam, and then let it grill. Okay, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already. Bye.